In today's episode of Did You Know, we will be unboxing the Unifi U6 Professional. Now join me in this fun journey. Here in the half cover, basically just a shell that protects the unit. Let's set it aside. We have the main Unifi U6 Professional, and that comes with a RJ45 port and a mini reset hole. Let's put that aside as well. There is a guide for where you could screw and make screw holes. For example, if you were to do a ceiling mount or a wall mount with a water leveler here, and that will just guide you as you mount and screw in those bolts. Now there is a difference between some of the older models that you may have of Unifi. The mounting bracket that secures the back is now metal. It used to be made of plastic. It's now metal, and they have various guides from A to G depending on the way that you will mount this bracket. So they have guides as a best practice for you, if you will, and this will ensure that your Unifi unit stays secure onto whatever material that you're mounting it on, be it a drywall or a false ceiling. The other change that I've noticed is there is a release spring catch for the back of the U6 that is now, instead of a push pin, it's more of a release catch that you need to depress if you were to release the unit for servicing. Okay. If you are applying this onto a false ceiling and you have the ability to remove the ceiling board, then this would be the reverse side of the mounting plate. So if you can imagine, this would be on the top inside the ceiling, and this would be on the side that's facing the Unifi unit, and these would bolt together like so, and they would be able to secure the Unifi unit so that it won't shift or drop. A typical type of installation for this would probably be in a shopping center or a mall or an office where you have ceiling boards that you can remove and easily attach these two together. Now they also provide a handy hardware. Don't know if you can see that here. It's all in UV lettering. It's a hardware kit by Unifi, and in here you've got a assortment of wall plugs, some nuts, the long and short screws depending on the type of mounts. I'm not sure what these are. These look like they would be used to mount to a catch, perhaps a wall mount. Some shorter screws. One looks like an Allen key over here, and the other looks like a tool to hit the reset. To hit the release catch. So I will find out what these do in a while. But it's good that they provide you a special hardware mounting kit, so you have everything that you need to get started in a very nice package. You also have the quick start guide where you can scan the QR code to get started. And this is quite interesting. They actually have a plate here that goes on the back of this unit. So imagine after you install your cable and say you were to mount this in a semi-permanent or permanent place, you would just insert this here, and obviously you would cut out the little holes here, so you have a access route for your Cat 6 or Cat 7 cable to run out from here, and that will be the only thing that sticks out from the back of the unit. I think it's quite useful. It prevents dust from getting in and this does flush, sit-in flush mount. But I won't do that now because it's quite difficult to take out once you put it in. Okay, so one pro tip for you if you're new to Unifi products, always mount and handle the access point with the plastic cover on. Now this is obviously removable.